Welcome back. Now we'll be going to see this is continuation of the previous video on the unit 2 Linux command line structure. We have seen the commands, various commands, option and argument with the option with value and then argument. So how you will divide the command into various types and all. So that we have seen with the command. So now we will cross check in the presentation whether we have covered entire thing or we have missed anything. Okay, so now this, as we seen that one, this is whatever the typical login thing. So you will enter the username and password, and then it will get you to the shell. So and then it will go to your home directory. So slash home, like whatever the login name actually. So we'll see more on this in the upcoming units. So user execute commands. So and once it is done, you will log out. So you can just say from here log out, or like no whatever you can use as other uh, commands like init and system control shutdown like that. So which we'll see in the next upcoming units section. So this is whatever like no how you to open a terminal from GUI, how to open a tab from GUI. So these are the things what we have discussed actually. So this one GUI means graphical user interface, and then like console user interface or command line interface. So these are the things, and you have only the 6 terminals or 6 consoles. You don't have more than that. So Control Alt F6 and then Control Alt F7. So if you are F7, F1 to F7, whatever it works on the function key, please don't forget to enter the function key as well. If otherwise, it will not work. Okay, so now we will see like everything is a file. So in the Linux world, everything is a file, like general file, device files, terminals, and then everything is a file actually. Okay, so symbolic links, devices, pipes, sockets, these are all, everything is a file. So which is for the communication. Okay, so this like now basic thing, so which we will see more in this one in the upcoming units. Okay, so this we have seen what is a command structure. So this is a command structure actually. So command plus option or options. So we have seen there can be multiple options. So it is not like you need to use only this. You can also use command plus argument actually, which I have not mentioned here. Okay, so here it is plus or minus. So it is up to this to just simplify this. I have written like this. Otherwise, if you are expanding, it will be so many things and it may be confusion. So that's what like now for better thing. So for easiness, I have just only classified into 5 types. Okay, so these couple of things we have seen. Okay, so I think most of the things we have seen actually. So you can like no explore more on that. So we have seen the date, we have seen the calendar. So it is only the command. This is only the short option. This is long option, and this again command. This is the argument. This is option plus whatever the argument actually. So minus year 2021, or you can just say whatever like no cal 2021 also, it will be same, or you can say whatever 2021. So the both the outputs are same actually. So default it is year. So or you want only like no this particular one February 2020, or like let us assume I want maybe 2000. Okay, so then you can see here you need to mention 2. Okay, so this is like a argument actually, but you can also mention the same thing with this. So minus m2 month. Okay, so and then the 2000. Okay, so you can see here actually. So this is the leap year, like that's what you have 29 days. 2020 also whatever the 29 days. So like 2018 and all, so it will be so let us assume 2018. So it will be whatever the 28 days. So leap year generally it will be 366 days. So or like no, you can say this one. If you say 1900, still it is not a like this is not a leap year actually. So 1800, 1900 are not the leap years. So it is like no, it has to be divisible by 4. If it is the centurion year divided by 100, it also need to divide by 4. Then only it is a leap year actually. So if you see here 2000 or 2020, that are the leap years actually. Okay, so you can refer leap years more on the leap years. So leap year is 21 day extra in the February. Every 4 years it will come, and then that is like 366 days. Okay, so okay, so more on the leap year you can refer on that. So control L is to clear on this. Okay, so let us go with the presentation, what we have seen. Where is the presentation? Okay, so now time date control we have not seen. Let's check on this time date control actually. Okay, so I say time date control. Okay, this is the command. It will give whatever the local time, universal time, RTC time, and all. Okay, so and then whatever the status, I hope this is the same output actually. And then whatever the time zones, so it is given the time zone. So like that, it will be giving the time date control. So like let us assume if you want to know more on this, you can just say help. Okay, so maybe this may be there. Okay, so here if you see this one, minus h also is there actually. So this is called the command line help. Okay, so minus small h or capital H. So couple of things it will be there, but version there is no short option, there is only the long option actually. So as I told, there are some cases both the things, only some cases is only the short version, no, or short version or long version. So if you see this one date thing minus version, it will give whatever the version thing actually, version information. So it is giving multiple the version information, but if you try to see its short option, it is saying invalid option. So don't expect you will have both the options, so it may not be having that one. Okay, so in some cases you need to refer the man page. Okay, so now so list time zones. So let us assume I want to know the time zones. So you can use this particular one, time zones. You can see here list time zones in this particular argument. Okay, so date time control. Okay, time date control, right? Okay, so I'm list time zones. So you can see here it is given the time zones. So you need to enter the space bar to go to the next page actually, space bar. So you can see here space bar, and if you want to have previous, you need to say control B actually. Okay, so space bar or control F also will work. Okay, so if you want to go to the next page, control F. Okay, then forward page. If you want to go back, this is control P. Okay, so you can see here different time zones, and you can explore on that particular time zones. Okay, so this is with regard to the command plus option, command plus option plus argument, command plus option with value, and then argument, command plus option with value, argument. And you can have multiple options here, and then whatever, this is the argument, this is also a argument actually. So this is with regard to the command line related. Okay, so this is about the basic command line structure. So you can explore more commands and all. In the upcoming units, we will see multiple commands, multiple options and all, and we will explore more on that. Okay, thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next video. So bye, see you in the next video.